Welcome to this demo of OCRDocs. I'm going to show you what's possible with OCRDocs. OCRDocs is a program that makes it easy to read invoices in Business Central and have them processed by using automatic text recognition. The operation is very simple. All you have to do is link a mailbox or drag and drop documents to a drag and drop box. Then our OCR server will process the documents and send back the full document text. The documents remain available within Business Central for the unposted invoices and later for the posted invoices. OCRDocs is able to use the text to suggest the correct supplier and then create an invoice with your correct ledger accounts and amounts. Based on this document text, multiple ledger accounts can be proposed, including various dimensions. Amounts can also be combined or broken down. OCRDocs can also retrieve booked goods receipts and invoices. In addition to processing PDF documents, OCRDocs is also able to process images, Excel sheets, Word documents and XML messages. OCRDocs is able to read and display UBL messages, which are Universal Business Language messages, as an invoice, where an embedded PDF file can be shown and otherwise a document text can be displayed as an invoice layout. Again, all text from the document can be used to process the correct ledger accounts and amounts. Thank you for watching.